Hey, what's up, Josh? My name's Corey. Kylie actually told me to send this screencast over to you. I'm gonna shoot over three free tips for you, so you can actually start outranking your competition and really bring in that quality traffic that you're striving to get. I got your website pulled up here. Just kind of gonna run through it real quick for a second. So first couple things I want to bring up before I go into your content citations and backlinks. Oh crap, where'd they go? These little call outs right here, 0% financing, these promotions right here, 39 AC furnace tune up. I would bring these up to the top, let people see these things. Those are great click to call actions. Bringing them up to the top will actually help navigate people toward getting more traffic as well. But anyway, what I want to get into is content. You're thin on your content. I'd really beef this up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words or so. Google loves words, especially when it comes down to authoric content. Plus, you need a lot more you need a lot more content in there, so that way we can layer other keywords as well. Which keywords are what people are actually searching for? How your website it's even found. This is Google here. I just typed in HVAC Salt Lake City. This is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees, which are actually brand new to Google. They're trying to replace these with the old school traditional ads, which a lot of people are trying to go away with because of all those spammy phone calls. So these Google guarantees, which is another form of paid advertisements, is supposed to help weave out some of that spammy phone calls. Underneath the ads, we have this little map section. This map section is really going to deal with a lot of citations. What are citations? What citations are? It's a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking our competition. Underneath this little map section is where all the organic rankings happen. Now, really, for the rankings here is going to come down with all that authoric content on your website, plus what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, if I take your URL and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of your site. So right now you got 272 referring domains, which is pushing back 2.54k backlinks. Historically, you've had a little over 6,000 backlinks. Right now, you're being tracked for 466 keywords, and in total, you got about 135 clicks to your website every month. This this PPC right here stands for pay per click, which looks like you're running quite a few ads there as well for your traffic. So I don't know if you're doing any like online advertisement or excuse me like TV or radio advertisement, which can be pretty costly as well. But this is just all the organic, and these 135 clicks. Let me show you where these are coming from. You got your name right here. You got Salt Lake City plumber. There's a keyword. There's 200 clicks every month with that one specific keyword. Your 13th position, so you're missing quite a bit of traffic from there being 13th position. Really getting in the top three. I like to see anywhere from about 15 to 20% of clicks on the keywords that we're shooting for. You got SLC Plumber, another 250 clicks. Your 19th position, missing all the traffic. Plumber, Utah, Salt Lake City Plumbers, there's another 90 clicks. So what we would want to do is go through and let me show you one of your competitions. This is Lee's Air Conditioning and Heating and AC. Just kind of giving you an example. We could do more specific plumber keywords if needed, but it doesn't really matter. Kind of showing you what they're doing here real quick. So they got 176 referring domains, which is pushing back just under 2,000 or 20,000 backlinks. They got 925 keywords, which in total are getting about 469 clicks to their site every month. And seeing where these clicks are actually coming from, let me show you these keywords that they're shooting for. Their furnace repair, Salt Lake City, 150 clicks every single month. HVAC, Salt Lake City, Utah, 9 clicks every single month. Um, Utah HVAC contractor, Salt Lake City, 70 clicks every month. So it doesn't matter if you're doing HVAC or specifically just plumbing. Really diving in and getting these keywords on what you're trying to rank for will bring in a lot more quality traffic. Making sure your content and your backlinks are there as well, so that way we're in a position to even receive those rankings with those keywords. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a free custom attack plan to help you get there. You can feel free to give me a call back. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks.